Got it here, vintage spider core, spider wrench. This is pretty vintage. They are really expensive because they're really hard to find. I found the last one on eBay. Hopefully they'll sell more. Yeah, you gotta really watch for them to go on sale and get one. This one was $380. So yeah, there's a little knife and there's a couple of wrenches. I think it comes off somehow. Wow. Is that a magnet? Or this side here locks it in? Yeah, you know what? This tool looks like a sharpener. What makes it locks in together? Okay, and then it locks in this way. Wow, so that way you can actually hold the whole thing. There's a little wrench. That's what it's called, spider wrench. Look at all these bits. So it comes off somehow. Takes a minute to figure it out how it works, that's for sure. There's a little notch to close it and open it. There you go. It's almost like a puzzle. So you line it up, pull it this way, and it should come out. Wow, that doesn't come off together. So you line it up, slide it, and come out. There you go. And then you have a regular knife right here. Ooh, stiff. And wow, check this out. Spider core Taiwan AUS 8. Is it the steel? That is unique. Not the most comfortable knife, but it is put a lot of thought into it. And there's a back lock right here. You press that. Wow, quite tight. There you go. That is extremely tight. Oh well. So to put it back together, we just need to line it up with these two, and then we're going to have like a pliers. There you go. Boom, you have pliers right here. Just so many features, it's crazy. I don't know if it's a most comfortable pliers or not, but I guess better than nothing. But it's really cool. I kind of like it. Okay, you take it out from the middle. Okay, how do we pull all this stuff out right here? You push it and take this out. Whoa, that's actually a screwdriver, a punch, a sharpener. Okay, now the other puzzle is, where does it go as a screwdriver? I should just get instructions. There you go. Wow, look at that. The instructions is pretty good. So not super vintage, but yeah, tells you how to open it. How do we use the screwdriver? Okay, it should be in the back. There you go. So this, I guess, is by itself screwdriver, and we will remove a couple of these things, and then we put it in the back right here, and you have right here screwdriver. That is insane. I love that so much. Boom, put it back in. And there is more explanation how it works. Super cool. So it's a punch file. That's what it means. Okay, now let's put it all away. This will go into here, lock it in, and once we want to put it all together, put it to the middle, slide it. You have pliers, slide it this way. It's all locks in together. That is a one-of-a-kind wrench multi-tool I have ever seen. I really like it. Also, you want to spin all the way down this way. Now it's like in all the way. Yeah, that is cool. Spider core, spider wrench. I love it. What do you guys think? This right here is a head lamp, not a head flashlight, because it's huge. I bought it almost like a joke because it was so funny to see in a video on Amazon somebody wearing that. Look how big that is. That's insane. Wow, headlamps usually tiny. So yeah, looks like there's a rubber, rechargeable, like they said. How do we turn it on and off? I guess we remove this. Whoa, that is bright. Just have to put to all these attachments. Looks like it's going to be pretty easy. I mean, guys, now I look like a minion. This is hilarious. This is literally why I bought it. It is incredibly bright. It is quite comfortable with this little rubber on my head. But what is this? Definitely a head lamp. I feel like a car or a minion, that's for sure, because I have this giant lamp on me. That's crazy. You can really put it way down so you can actually see what's in front of you, but I feel like this flashlight actually blocking my vision. I have to put it way up high, maybe like that. There you go. Next I got right here vintage gadget. So this is a shaving blade sharpener, a little bit vintage, but you see there's a sharpening wheel, and whenever you spin, this will lift up and flip over and sharpen your blade. You have to spin it this way. And I think that's like puts away this way. Yeah, definitely this thing needs to be refurbished. Okay, let's see how we slide in the blade. To put in the blade, you lift this to the side and it should open a little bit. And we're gonna slide the blade in. I guess that's where you wanna hold it. Okay, then lock it in all the way. And we're just gonna spin it. It's gonna sharpen it, flip it over and spin it. Let's do it slowly. Flip it over and sharpen the other side. And obviously it's going to be at the perfect angle as well. This is definitely a very unique shaving blade sharpener. I love it. Okay, when it's done, just flip this open and slide the blade in, put the other side in, slide it back up, and then just sharpen the other side of the blade. And then you can just go really fast. And you have sharpened blade. Remember, chopper 1 splitting axe, it's very unique. It kicks the wood out. Well, guess what? Found Amazon Easy Go copy. And you know what? These things are not smooth at all. Wow, this one is completely stuck. Oh wow, it doesn't even go up and down. So we'll put it to the test comparison anyways. This is why you gotta be careful what you buy on Amazon. There's a lot of fakes out there, seems to be. You see, they both get stuck. Versus like American made, in and out easy. This is newer version, they still make them. And this side here, not calibrated that well, you see. It's just not big enough hole, so it gets stuck. Let's go put them to the test. I got it here, two very equal logs. Let's tie it out. Wow. Yeah, it doesn't even go through to tie the chopper. There you go. It works. But you see, it doesn't really fly it away. It doesn't kick it out. So those things are kind of useless in a sense. It does the job, but you know what? Another thing to note, chopper axe is much longer handle, but also chopper 1 seems to be much bigger axe, so it's not exact copy. Just a little bit different, as you can see. I don't know if they sold them the rights or they just copied them. I know what's the deal with that Easy Go axe, but yeah, they sold it on Amazon. Okay, now chopper 1. Let's see how much damage will it do. Right away, cracked it in half. Boom. Boom. So much easier. Look, now it's gonna be new. Multiple pieces, and it just kicks it out so much more. Yeah, look at that. So much more power on chopper 1. You see how it kicks it out to the side? Yeah, if you ask me, I go with chopper 1 all day. And probably the coolest thing, whenever you put a bigger log like this, look what happens when I hit it with the chopper 1. You see how far it flew? You see how it flies out everywhere? Now, Easy Go. Oh, you know what? Easy Go already stuck actually. So it's not even working already. It haven't been. There you go. One more time. It does the job, but I feel like it's pointless. They go a flight this time. I know, if I had to choose, I don't have to worry about this thing getting stuck, much bigger handle. I definitely go with the original designer, not a copy, every single time. So a lot of people don't even know it's a copy. That's why I'm making a video.